Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Light green color, yellow color, violet color, orange color, sky blue color, blue color, black color, red color, brown color, light pink color, and green color. Let's draw numbers. Light green color 1, ONE 1. Yellow color 2, TWO 2. Orange color 3, THREE 3. Green color 4, FOUR 4. Pink color 5, FIVE 5. Sky blue color 6, SIX 6. Blue color 7, SEVEN 7. Light pink color 8, EIGHT 8. Brown color 9, NINE 9. Red color 10, TEN 10. Black color 11, ELEVEN 11. Violet color 12. Yellow color 13, THIRTEEN 13. Orange color 14, FOURTEN 14. Light pink color 15, FIFTEN 15. Let's learn numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, bye kids.